All right, everyone, get ready, because what we are about to cover might genuinely change how you approach your entire content creation process. Today, I want to walk you through automating your video content creation so it runs as smoothly and efficiently as the top professionals do it. We are moving past simple hacks and into a scalable workflow that will consistently deliver high-quality assets without constant manual input. The plan involves starting simple, moving into a professional setup, and finally achieving a boss-level system where scheduling is almost automatic. So before we dive in, let's address why you might be looking beyond tools like Canva and ChatGPT for this specific task. Canva excels wonderfully at bulk templates and quote graphics, and ChatGPT is the champion for text outlines and generating initial ideas. However, neither of those was fundamentally built to understand the context within a 30 to 90-minute long-form video. You need something smarter that can pinpoint the exact moments that will resonate most with your audience and instantly turn them into clips. This is where specialized technology steps in to fill that crucial gap in the content production pipeline. Let's start with Level 1, the beginner approach, designed to get 10 ready-made clips from one long video without completely burning you out. Step 1 is straightforward. Just take your long-form content, perhaps an interview or a tutorial, and upload the entire file for AI scanning. The artificial intelligence then thoroughly examines the whole recording, automatically highlighting all the most engaging, performance-worthy sections. This completely eliminates the tedious process of manually scrubbing through potentially hours of raw footage just to find one good soundbite. You can precisely instruct the system to hunt for specific characteristics, like high energy spikes or moments that clearly explain a complex topic. The result is dozens of high-potential candidate clips presented to you instantly, with accurate time markers attached. For the beginner flow, perfection isn't the goal. Simply select 10 promising clips and let the system auto-generate captions and basic branding. You can export these immediately in popular formats like 1:1 or 9:16, ready for immediate platform distribution. In less than 10 minutes, you have 10 short, captioned, and branded videos that are good enough to go live right now. Contrast this speed with exporting raw files, manually cutting, adding captions, and exporting 10 separate files, which is dramatically slower. This entire beginner method clearly outpaces the standard route because Canva cannot automatically find the most impactful second in an hour of talking. ChatGPT can write amazing copy for captions, but it has absolutely no capability to select and clip the actual video segment for you. The specialized video AI bridges that critical technical gap, connecting the raw footage to the final, ready-to-publish asset. Now let's progress to Level 2, the Pro workflow, where we integrate advanced text tools and professional design automation for truly polished clips. You begin the same way by uploading your source material, but now you select a much larger batch of 20 to 30 potential viral candidates. Next, you export the clip metadata, those timestamps and tiny summaries, and immediately paste that information into your text generation model. Prompt your text AI to generate concise, scroll-stopping one-line hooks under a common character limit, plus longer captions and hashtag ideas. This step is crucial because well-crafted captions and compelling hooks are the digital bait that stops viewers from immediately scrolling past. For the crucial thumbnail design, you'll leverage a design tool like Canva or an AI art generator like Midjourney to stand out visually. A pro move here is creating one strong branded template in your design software and then bulk populating the title text from your ChatGPT output via a simple file. The goal is absolute thumbnail coherence across your feed so that your entire presence looks professionally curated and unified. Back in the video tool, you export all your polished clips instantly across every necessary aspect ratio for all major platforms. Vizard's batch export feature makes this completely painless. You just click Export All and it delivers all the different aspect files. You then attach the specific thumbnail and the corresponding caption to each finished video file before exporting the final packages. This professional-level workflow is powerful because you are combining the best video intelligence, text intelligence, and design automation together. By orchestrating these specialized systems, you mass-produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time compared to doing any of this manually. Moving to Level 3, the Boss mode, unlocks end-to-end automation, covering clipping, scheduling, and even post-analysis loops. You establish a recurring pipeline where new long videos are automatically processed by AI rules you define for viral clip selection. You create sophisticated rules, like preferring clips between 15 and 60 seconds or moments that explicitly use key conceptual vocabulary. This clip metadata is then piped into an external script that automatically generates multiple caption variations for different platforms using AI. The AI captions are then pushed into a structured file alongside the correct clip identifier ready for the next step. For thumbnails, use your brand templates, but instruct the design tool to bulk create variations based on the high-performing ChatGPT hook text. The ultimate automation happens in scheduling, where you define posting frequencies for Reels, Shorts, and LinkedIn all in one place. If you use external scheduling software, the complete media package with metadata can be imported automatically via a pre-built integration. The final, and perhaps most important step is feeding performance analytics back into the system to continuously refine your AI selection rules. This feedback loop ensures that the AI learns what worked, like yellow thumbnails or challenge hooks, and applies that knowledge to the next batch. Let's revisit the tool ecosystem limitations. Canva is fantastic for static design, but lacks genuine conversational highlight detection. ChatGPT is a linguistic powerhouse for text, but it simply cannot watch a video and correctly identify the single most emotional 20 seconds. Manual editing gives you ultimate creative control, but if you are a creator or small team, it becomes an unsustainable drain on your productivity. Midjourney is brilliant for standout art, but it introduces an extra time-consuming step if you need dozens of cohesive thumbnails quickly. The specialized video AI fits perfectly within this structure, handling the detection, captioning, multi-ratio export, and metadata tagging. When paired effectively with ChatGPT and Canva, you essentially build a comprehensive full-stack content creation engine. For a quick real-world example, imagine taking one hour-long interview and transforming it into 20 unique, platform-ready posts automatically. The system lets you preview the AI-selected clips, feed the metadata to ChatGPT for smart captions, and then bulk create all necessary thumbnails. Finally, you push those polished clips with their matching metadata into your chosen scheduler to go live across all your chosen channels. Later, your analytics reveal that yellow thumbnails worked best, so you update the rules, and the machine learns for the following week's output. So is this system for absolutely everyone? Honestly, no. It's really built for creators who view content strategy as a systematic, repeatable process. If you absolutely love handcrafting every single frame, then by all means, keep enjoying that rewarding, detailed creative process. But if your goal is to double or triple your content volume while absolutely maintaining a high professional standard, this integrated setup is your answer. This automation philosophy isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about completely eliminating the repetitive, dull grunt work so you can experiment more. To summarize, we covered 3 distinct levels: beginner for fast extraction, pro for integrating design and text intelligence, and boss for full scheduling and learning loops. I highly encourage you to test just one long video through this entire pipeline and witness the sheer quantity of posts you can yield from a single recording. If you want exact, ready-to-use prompts for ChatGPT or a detailed CSV template for bulk thumbnail creation, please drop a comment below. I will be posting those specific resources soon, so you can immediately start automating the most boring parts of your content journey. Thank you for watching, and trust me, your future self will be incredibly grateful that you automated the tedious work starting today.